Hello, Dr. Ulysses Jackson, here again to discuss Healthy Body, Healthy Mind series. Today I want to discuss the clinical license and what it takes in the state of New York. What I do on a regular basis, I'm a mental health counselor, and I'm also working with a 100% all-natural herbal company, Hummingbird Botanical. My clinical degree in mental health allows me to deal with all spectrums of mental health, such as anger management, bereavement, relationships, divorces, separations. I also deal with reentry for people that were incarcerated in and out of jail, for men, erectile dysfunctions, bipolar 1, bipolar 2. I'm allowed to discuss these topics in my professional setting. The licensure for the state of New York is, I have an office in Brooklyn and I also work out of Long Island. But because of COVID, most of my clients that I see are from telehealth, and they go from the Hamptons, from all the Nassau and Suffolk County, through the 5 boroughs, through Putnam County, Dutchess County. I can cover the whole spectrum. I don't have a dual license, so if you're in another state, I suggest that you look up mental health counseling, licensed clinical social workers, LCSWs, and look into working with one of them for your needs. I just want you guys to understand that when you hear someone say they're a mental health counselor, and I have family, friends, and relatives all across the country, and you have these peer advocates, recovery coaches, they got to work inside what they call their scope of practice. My scope of practice for billing and my license that I'm bonded to is that I'm only licensed to practice mental health in the state of New York, which covers all New York, from the tip of Long Island to the Canadian border. And understanding that scope is very important. So I just want you guys to understand that what it is that I do. So basically, my day starts with me doing mental health counseling with a caseload. 95% of the people now I see online through telehealth. The other part of my day, I deal with the body, which is more or less, I'm dealing with what I eat, my herbal company, Hummingbird Botanical, that all the herbs are sold on Amazon. And I'm just a big advocate for life and loving life. I watch too many people get sick with diabetes, too many conversations I'm having with men and women about erectile dysfunction that could have been prevented with what they ate or something of that nature. But this is Dr. Jackson. Again, we're part of the Healthy Body, Healthy Mind series, letting you guys know the scope of clinical practicing with mental health. So I'm glad you guys, listened today. Thank you, Dr. Jackson.